Welcome to the project demonstration of fire alarm system through IoT. So here the main input is fire sensor, there's a flame sensor. So as we know that the fire consists of IR rays, and whenever the fire is there present in front of this flame sensor, then it will detect that and it will inform to the LM358 operational amplifier, so which will give the analog digital output to the PIC 16F72 microcontroller. So here the thing is, it has 3 pins like plus, minus and outputs to the A0 pin of our 16F72 microcontroller, and based on the signal from this flame sensor, it will control the output modules like buzzer and ESP8266 module. Buzzer interface at C3 pin and ESP8266 at B0 B1 pin, and the other pin connections. So coming to the buzzer board, there will be one transistor. As we know, the transistor will act as basically switch. So in order to on the buzzer, we are going to switch on this transistor, and the transistor will switch on the buzzer, and for this same plus, minus and output from the microcontroller. And here the TX RX plus minus for the ESP8266 PCB. On this PCB we have 1117 regulator, which will provide the 3.3 volts, which is sufficient to run this ESP8266 module. And coming to this motherboard, there are the 5 pins. So these 5 pins are used to load the X code into the PIC microcontroller, and from this adapter we are going to provide the 230 volts inputs, and output of this adapter is 5 volts constant regulated power supply. And once it get the 5 volts power supply, it start reading input from the flame sensor and controlling the output modules. And coming to this switch, this one is the reset switch to restart the microcontroller, and this one is a 20 megahertz crystal oscillator, which will provide the clock pulse to the microcontroller. The clock pulse purpose is, in order to execute the instructions inside the microcontroller, it need clock pulse. So for every one clock pulse, it will execute one instruction. So like this, as we are providing 20 megahertz crystal oscillator frequency, so the microcontroller can run the 20 mega instructions in 1 second. And on this LEDs, this one is the power LED indication, and this one is the program LED indication. Whenever the fire is detected, we are going to indicate the 2 indications like buzzer, audible alert and visual alert from the LED. So let us see demonstration. Before switching on this kit, we need to install the Blynk application and log into the Blynk application from the given credentials. As we can see that there is a red mark icon, that is indicating as the device is offline. So then go to hotspot settings of your phone, right, and change the hotspot name to project 4727. All are small letters without any space, and the password should be 1234567889. After that, enable the hotspot along with data, and then log into the Blynk application, and now switch on the power supply for the kit. And now we can see it's indicated 2 times, and now it is monitoring. So right, the device is online now, it's connected, the red mark is gone. And whenever the fire is detected, it can detect up to 1 feet, and we got the notification of alert, fire detected, take action immediately. And this Blynk app notification is whether if the device is offline, nothing but if we didn't open the app also, it will intimate to us. Right, we got the intimation. Unlock. So we'll get that notification also here, right.